We're thrilled to tell you about a few new and exciting features already launched and soon to be launched in Rambase. Our mobile app has gotten a facelift. You can now access invoice approval and soon work hour log while on the go. In our finance section, we will launch support for new cost method FIFO to provide more options for our international customers. In addition, we now provide bank integration directly in Rambase for Scandinavian users. Every client can now offer a supplier and customer portal in Rambase, giving access to basic self-service options. This makes it easy for suppliers and customers to help themselves. We're also introducing single sign-on functionality that makes it easier to access everything with only one username and password across the whole platform. Rambase, the right information to the right person at the right time.